Right guys, Angel and Leo have come to work with me today and I have got them a very, very special friend. Angel is in there making him a little house. So guys, keep watching the video. Don't forget, leave a comment with your name, subscribe and click the bell button. And now I'm going to do the shout outs really quickly because Angel is really busy making a house. So, are you ready? I'm going to do the shout outs from the last video. Our last video was the bedroom ideas. Right, Liana Dab, Maisie, big shout out to Maisie. Big shout out to Abby. Shout out to Gail Brown, Olivia, Justina, Emma. Big shout out to Emma. Big shout out to Chelsea. Big shout out to Lydia. Lydia comments all the time. Abby, big shout out to Abby. Ethan Mahone.
And all of you
Orla,
get Toy Surprise.
Lottie, Mida, and Daisy, Destiny, Lily, Jessica, Lisa Rock, and that is all of them. So remember guys, so leave a comment down below with your name and we'll shout you all out in the next video.
Yeah, and then you'll get a toy on that video.
And don't forget to hit the bell button and the subscribe button and give us a massive like. Right, watch the video and see what this little pet we've got is. Right, shh, everybody, Angel, Leo, shh, shh, shh. I've brought Angel and Leo to work today. They're in the office. Angel, shh, shh.
He found a real life mouse at work.
There is a real live mouse at work and it's really tough. Well, it's a mouse, it's a mouse. Where is it? It's there. Angel, shh, shh. Angel.
What?
Angel, get the pet mouse. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video for a massive shout out. Massive. We'll shout every name out. Oh, Angel. Oh. Angel.
Cute he is.
Angel, let me hold him.
Okay.
Let me hold him.
Look, he's good at my arm.
Look, Angel, look at the mouse. Look at the mouse.
Oh.
What should we call him?
Jingles.
Mr. Jingles.
No. Hello, Mr. Jingles. It looks like a boy, doesn't it?
I think it's a boy mouse.
Yeah, because it has a bit of white on.
Do you think people know it's a real mouse?
Yeah, because, do you know what? It has a little bit of white there if it's a girl. And if it has a little bit of white there if it's a girl, and then it has no white. And then it has no white if it's a boy.
It's a baby mouse.
Daddy.
Look at him.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy, I need to whisper something in your ear. Get a cake. Mouse, can I whisper something to you? I'm going to stick some things on you, do you know?
You're going to stick some things on the mouse?
So googly eyes. Look,
oh no, I know what we can do. Why don't we make him a house?
Yeah, out of these.
Yeah, like you can make him a nice bed. You could shred some paper. We need a box. We can get a box quick.
And then we can like decorate with all of this.
Yeah. Oh, Angel.
What?
Angel has found a box to make a rat house.
It had paper in, but I took the paper out.
Why don't you get something for him to make a bed out of?
Look, Daddy, look, Daddy, I thought we was going to a pet shop near our house and get him a cake for him to live in.
Angel, do you know if you go to the shredder, take this box with you now, quick. I need to show you something. I know I need to. Yeah, but I know I can get some paper, quick. Go in that machine there, and see what's in there. It's a paper shredder. Let's take the lid off. Oh no! Whoa, it's a bed. Make a bed for him in there.
No, it can be a carpet.
Yeah, make a carpet out of it.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Jingles will really like that.
I'm making a lot of mess.
Yeah, is that enough?
No. Thought it was the right one.
Angel, look at the office floor.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter. I'll get in trouble from my boss.
You don't have a boss.
Yeah, I do have a boss.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, Mummy.
No.
Quick, get Mr. Jingles and see if he likes it in there.
No, you need to decorate the sides, don't you?
Are you going to decorate it?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
I'm going to keep all these
Angel, where's Mr. Jingles gone? I'm not even joking. Where is he?
There.
Oh! Where is he?
There.
He's in the printer. Come out, Mr. Jingles. Leo, why is he in there? Why is he in there? Mr. Jingles. Angel, is that what you're going to use?
We have scissors.
Angel, you can't tip all those all over my office.
Yes, we can.
No, Angel, you can't. Angel, you can't just do that.
Okay, right, come on then.
Get some of that tissue paper and make a bed with that. Yeah. Baby mice love that sort of thing. Right, you get Mr. Jingles, Leah, off the desk.
Okay.
You get Mr. Jingles and you'll put him...
It's not a rat.
It's a mouse. You get Mr. Jingles and then you can put him in his bed.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I can't pick him up.
Get him. Get Mr. Jingles. Have you got him? Oh, good catch.
Can I put him in it?
Yeah. Oh, he likes it in there.
Those are his two little pom-poms.
There's his little pom-poms. That is a really nice mouse house. Yeah, he likes it in there. Right, are we going to say bye, Mr. Jingles?
Bye, Mr. Jingles.
Bye.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.